this life that I've been living's getting to be more harder. I wish I would've listened, been more smarter. Cause nowadays I gotta pay for the choices I made when I was younger. I was made for this, though. I'd take a bullet for you if I was told. I'd take the blame for the reason I'm cold. Cause I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I hate feeling this way, it's not me, got a hole in my chest that don't bleed up. Gotta find where I went wrong. Gotta find where I belong. I've been walking down the same road I walked a year ago. When am I gonna learn to let go? Say no. Why can't I just fucking say no? No hope. Where the hell am I gonna find hope? I'm so cold. I'm so cold.